last I left you, we were talking about how we had an incompatibility issue with the paint we'd like to throw on here and what is already on here, and how removal was an issue because there's no gel coat underneath the paint. Not wanting to sand through essentially, or use remover and remove through to the fiber underneath, basically revealing all of its porous nature. And so basically what we have done at this point is wiped off a bunch of this paint with this toluene. It's going to be the death of me if I have to use it over again. What I'm going to do at this point, after wiping a good portion of this off, we tested a couple of spots. Tested a spot here where the bottom paint has been completely removed, and painted here where the paint hasn't been touched. You can kind of see the layer there. So I just scuffed it up a little bit with some sandpaper and sprayed there. And on this side where basically none of the copper has been removed and mostly just the ablative part of the paint wipes right up, and the copper likes to stay there. It's a little bit more difficult to remove. In case, threw a little swatch right there too, of some VC offshore black. And so far so good. It's actually been sitting there a couple of days, since Saturday. Today's Tuesday morning. So I am thinking that it's a go, really. There's no puckering or blistering or any signs that this paint is going to come off easily, or is going to come off on its own. So I'm going to go ahead and sand this whole thing down one more time, with some 220 probably, and then spray it with this VC offshore. That is the plan anyway.